Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your Toshiba Satellite SC50D RAM and your DVD ROM, because few people have been asking. So first thing first, you want to flip it over, unscrew the cover at the bottom, the L-shaped cover, and remove the battery. And right here in the middle, right by the hard drive, there's a tiny screw on the plastic. You might want to remove this one so you can remove the CD-ROM. It's right by the sticker where it says 2 amp, right there. Once you remove this screw, now you can slide down your hard drive, but don't yank your hard drive from this side. You're gonna break the clips. What you do, you wanna grab your flat screwdriver, put it right here, and push it just like that, so the CD-ROM will come out easy. Now you can just go ahead and continue pulling it off, and that's how you remove your CD-ROM for your laptop. And if you want to remove your RAM or you want to upgrade your RAM, in this case there's only one DIMM RAM right here. In order to remove the RAM, you have to pull apart the clips on each side, just like that, and the RAM is gonna pop open on 45-degree angle, and then you're just gonna pull it out in 45-degree angle, and that's all about it. If you want to put it back in 45-degree angle, put it in and just push it down. Alright, now you want to put the CD-ROM back in, put the screws in. Also, if you guys like this video and you have more questions, please subscribe and give like to the video, and I'll be glad to answer any questions or take requests.